a dot-to-dot puzzles. Today I'm going to show you on how to create a dot-to-dot puzzles on Canva. So we're gonna start by going to a Canva and then go to create a design, and then you comes to custom size, and then we come here by units, and then we're going to change it to inches, and then we're going to create a 8.5. So I'm going to just write 8.5 here by 11 inches. So we come here to create a new design. Okay, so we're gonna come here to you're gonna go here by the magic media. So we are looking for the animals that we can choose, or any maybe and vegetables, or anything that we can use to create this. So I'm going to just ask the AI to create me let me just say a butterfly. Let's just say a butterfly, and then we're gonna come here to graphics, and then we're going to choose let's just go to see all, and then we're gonna choose monoline. So we're gonna come here to generate graphics. So we're gonna wait for a little bit. All right, so we're gonna just take this one, or if you are not you can just generate again if you find it that is not the correct image you are looking for. You can just create again. You can create more and more and more until you get the better picture. So I believe this one will be better. Let me just click on this one. It looks amazing. And then we're gonna go to edit. So we need to edit our image so that it can look beautiful. So we're gonna go to edit, let's go to edit, and then we come here. It goes to scroll down to image upscaler, and then we come here to a upscale resolution. So we're gonna choose a 4 times, and then we upscale. Okay, so then we can just replace the image. All right, then we can just go add to the design. Let's just add the image to the design, and then we can just increase the size of this image just a little bit, and then we can delete the first one. Okay, this one is a good quality image right now. Then we can just bring it down a little bit. And then the next thing that you need to do is duplicate the image, and then after duplicating the image, we can just go to transparency, and then we can just bring it to 0, and let's just go to a position, then go to layers, and then we're gonna just bring this one underneath of the other one. All right, and then the next thing that we need to do is to go to edit, and then we comes to magic eraser. We're going to erase the other parts of the image, so we can just erase it like this. Oh no, let's just deselect, and then let's just increase it until to the end. Okay, then we are done. We can just come here to erase. All right, let's just go and see how it's go. Okay, then it's done. Let's just see what we can do. Okay, then when after this, then let's just go to transparency again. Let's go to position first, and then transparency for the one that we hide the we kept the one that we kept the transparency to 0. Then we're gonna just bring it back. Let me just do it like this so that we can see which one is which. Okay, then we're gonna need to bring it 2 feet on each other. Then we're gonna work on this one. Let's just increase the size so that we can see clearly. Okay, the next thing, then we're going to the shapes, you go to elements and then you go to shapes, then you select all, then you choose the dot. So we're going to decrease the dot, and then we change the color of the dot to black, and then we're going to bring the dot here. So we're going to start from here. So we're going to duplicate the dot as many as we can have, so that it's gonna be easy for us to use them. So we're gonna just bring one and then we put it here, and we take another one and then we put it here at the between this one, and then we put another one here, then another one there, here, here, and then put this one here. So we're gonna do the same, gonna duplicate more. Okay, then we take it here. Okay, then we are done. Then we come here to title, and then we're gonna choose one, and then we decrease the size. You can change the fonts. Let's change it. Okay, let's just decrease the size. So we're gonna put one here, duplicate, change it to 2, and we're gonna duplicate again, then we change it to 3, we duplicate again up until we are done. And then after, when you're done with these numbers, and then you can just come here to, let's just decrease the size of this. Let's decrease the size of the canvas so that we can see what we are working on. Okay, then after this, then you can come to, let's just go to position, and then we on layers right now. Then we're going to delete this image, so we're gonna click on it and then we delete. So this is how it's going to turn out. So then after, you can just bring it like this, you group them together so that you can able to move them at the same time. So you're gonna leave them like this, and then you are done. This is how easy it is to create the dot-to-dot on Canva. Thank you so much for watching these tutorials. Up until next time, bye bye.